Okay, welcome back mga bossing. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And this time, we're going to unbox another Chogokin toys. But this time, it's not the Soul of Chogokin. This time, it's the Super Robot Chogokin. Yeah, so this time, we're going to unbox this this Super Robot Chogokin Gaine. And this one is I don't think they released a version of a SOC on this one, but in this episode we're going to unbox the SRC version of Gaine. And this is my first Super Robot Chogokin that I will unbox and review in this channel. So let's go mga bossing. Let's unbox. Let's go. Okay, here we go. We got the Super Robot Chogokin Gaine. So Gaine is like part of the Brave Express Gaine anime series. So this is like when you combine my twins and the Locomonizer, they will form the Gaine. So this one is part of the Brave series franchise. If you know more about the Brave things, there's a lot of robots going on that one. Which is like the Ace Baron thing, Go Pygar, Go Gygar, like that. So you will always find the Brave words on that one. So this one is Gaines and just part of the universe of the Brave series. And this one is the part of the Gaine universe. Okay, so one looks good, so we're gonna do this one first. So let's see. Let's unbox. Okay, so this one released 2020. Okay, so this one released 2012. Yeah, you can see it's already made in China. When the trade series happened, more trade. Okay, nothing more. Okay, so got special sword here, and let's check out the manual. Okay, so far looking good. Got quite a bit of building here. So we got a couple of extra hands, very tiny hands. Okay, and that's it. Okay, here you go. Look at that. So this is Diecast, right? So I said Chogokin, as you know what they meant, right? Chogokin is like a diecast things. That's really cool. And this sword is really cool. Very nice. Okay, so where's the opening? Still wondering if I want to open it, but of course I will. But we got another two more swords here. It's like even the sword you can need to combine. Okay, let's take it out. Okay. Look at those small parts. Be careful on them. Oh, well, look at that. Now, how shiny is that? So, we got a couple of hands here. Once it's already attached, and we got some 1, 2, 3 extra, and just one single hand. I believe it's the right pointing hand. Yeah. And close hand, it's like holding weapons. Yeah, there you go. Right, that, and this one, like how they got it. That kind of hands. It's not really open, but it's an open hand. Okay, there you go. And we got, so how do you call it, like an extra piece of coal. Not too sure how you call this one, but yeah, it's on the, what you put on the helmet, right? Like the wings Apex thing. So this is really tiny one. Okay, so by the way, yeah, I forgot to, this like the might sword or the Durin can, this one is just for special effects. So you wanna do some special pose and pictures, so this one is just like an oversized kind of sword, right? So but we still have the double Durin can. So this is like a different kind of colors here, because when it becomes gold, that means that's the final. That's it, he gonna finish the enemies. So this one have a different like level of power. Of course, the gold is always the full-blown power. So yeah, and this is just a silver Durin can. So they can also do this. They can combine these two, of course, with this connector handle things, right? So you can just take it out, something like that, and then put this on. So yeah, so you can call it double Durin can or twin Durin can, right? So that's it, that's how it goes, right? So that one's pretty cool. Weapons. Okay, so you can just put that one in. Yeah, so that one is really cool design on the sword, right? What do you guys think about that design, right? Not too sure what they call that part of the sword. Forgot. But of course, it's a protector for the hands. And we got some special insert here. Right, and then this special face, like wearing helmets or masks, something like that, right? I'll show it to you guys later. Okay, and of course the might Gaine. This one's quite pretty heavy, so there's like a two trains here. It's a combination of two. So yeah, this is like a Gaine one, right? So this part of those kind of robots. Okay, so let's see some check. Oh, so let's just check out the height first. Okay, so this one is like 6 inches, including the tip of that. So you know, this is like the budget meal of Soul of Chogokin. So this is a small version, but they release a lot of nice robot on this one. They don't usually release in Soul of Chogokin, and that's make it really interesting. I don't know why, right? But yeah. Okay, so you can do the things, and then this one. So they got like double articulations here. It's really nice. You can reach up to that. And I think you can also do that split. How cool is that? Yeah, that's why you can do a lot of articulations here or pause here. So that makes it really cool. So you can already do that, and this one too, right? Yeah, so I think this is also their idea of those fight actions, Soul of Chogokin. But for some reason, this, yeah, only release a couple of robots there. Okay, so you can do that head. Oops, okay. But you can replace that. For some reason, I don't know how he changes, but they looks exactly the same. Let's see. I don't know what's the difference. Oh, this one is bigger. Or just an extra. I think it's almost the same size, but I don't know why they got some extra on this one. Or decided to put some extra. Okay. Okay, yeah, so this one. Okay, for the extra face. Okay, this one's pretty interesting. I think we need to pull this one out and then take this one here. Okay, so there you go, guys. Just to show it. I don't want to do it. So yeah, so this one is like a mad pace, right? So if we put it, maybe you can really more appreciate how it looks like. Yeah, so like the mouth is a little bit open. So this depends on how you're gonna do the action pause. Okay. Okay, there you go. And for the arms, also 360 on this one. Okay, also here. Same here. So this one is really cool. So you can just, if you want to replace the hands and put the one that can hold the weapons or the sword. My Gaine's don't have really much of how do you call it, like weapons. So just the sword and then there's like a laser beam on the forehead that's come out. Okay, pretty interesting. Okay, so be careful of when you remove this, and you need to make sure you don't take this one out, because there you go. The other one there, it will not work straight here. So yeah, so there's like a wrist part here, and then you can put this one on. There you go. And we can put the sword here. The Turing can. That one is pretty cool, right? So look at that. Pretty interesting robots combinations. Okay, here we go again, my boss. Seeing we got another cool toys review, the Super Robot Chogokin Gaine. So if you guys really interested on this one, try to check out your local store. Or of course, like this one, I got it from Mandarake, or online, or get the eBay things. But Mandarake online is way cheaper than eBay, because mostly they don't need to pay extra cost for eBay things, right? So they get directly from their website. So check it out. I only got this like it's only just a regular airmail, Japan Post, and it's only like 2 weeks. So you don't need to pay expensive like DHL or any like UPS shipping, which usually get a higher and chance that you get the duty and taxes. Like this one, for some reason I don't pay any taxes, but I'm not sure. But if it's because of the total cost, it's not worth for taxes. So there you go. So if you like these toys and you like this video, why not give me a thumbs up and just comment down below any suggestion, anything you want. Just even say where you are, just introduce yourself, whatever, comments there. I really appreciate that. That's really help us as a content creator. So please do so, and of course, why not subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you're always updated on my toys review. So once again, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.